I'm back with this video. I decided to show you guys what the fan box looks like. I came in at the Hampton, I think, yeah, Hampton Bay, and here's what it looks like. It came in. Here's what this looks like in this style, and there's the remote included, and it shows right there how to install it. And this is what it looks like. I think it's like this extends out. That is installed. Looks like that right up there. And here's, yeah, it's Hampton Bay. Got Home Depot for I think a month or two so ago, waiting to have the electrician install it, and it got installed today. So here's what it looks like, and then try to say packaging that came in. That looks like. You can see the new fan already on. Energy Star, which is always cool. That's so much easier, so much cost to run it. And there's all that. So I hope you enjoyed this video of part 2. If it did, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!